August has been a very difficult boy to potty train. I'm infusing my water. I was just so burnt out from everything, trying to do it all. Hey guys, welcome back. First of all, it feels so good to be vlogging again. Right now, I'm just trying to get ready because we have a play date that I have to go to in about half an hour. But then tonight we have a reporter for a Christian magazine coming over. I'll talk more about that later too. I just mainly wanted to open the vlog. So anyways, the reporter is coming to dinner tonight. So I have a very messy house to clean. I am potty training Marcus again because if you guys remember last time we started out, things did not go so well, so I just kind of stopped after trying for 2 weeks. And long story short, things are doing so much better this time. This is day 3, and yeah, instead of like fighting me, which he did on day 1, and then I kind of like reassessed the whole situation, and now he's like begging me to go potty all the time. So I will update you guys on what I did. I'll probably just make a whole video on that because honestly, like, Marcus has been a very difficult boy to potty train, and there are some things I had to just change, like do it my own way and not like a method. I think I will make that video for you guys. Anyways, I'm done getting ready, and actually really quickly I wanted to show you guys this shirt. Ignore my really messy bedroom. That is one of the areas that I need to clean today. But anyways, I just wanted to show you this shirt because I really love it, and it's from Target. It was just a $9 not universal thread. It was a New Day. So this t-shirt is just a really, it's like the perfect fit. I love that it's a round neck. I love the slightly rolled up sleeves and the slightly baggy fit. And it's a little wrinkled because I have been wearing it, but it just feels really comfortable. The length is great. That's what the back and side looks like, and it's only $9 at Target. I'm going to go back and see if they have like a white one because I think it would be the perfect white tee too. And one thing I want to say though is I'm usually a small, and this is an extra small, so I think it definitely runs a little bit big. Hey guys, so we just got finished with the play date. It went really well. Marky potty trained there with no accidents. I brought him a pull-up just because I was like, I don't want to deal with, you know, a mess to clean up at someone else's house, and he still had no accidents. I brought our treasure box though, and actually she was potty training her daughter, and her daughter really wanted to pick something from the treasure box too, which was really fun. Anyways, Marky is getting really tired and it's past nap time, so we need to get in quickly and go take our naps. Koki fell asleep. So cute. And every car ride she has to take off her shoes. I don't know why. So I just brought everything in from the car so I could just sit here holding her for a second, even though I have so much stuff to do. There's just nothing like it. I love this so much. Okay, so Marky's in bed. He fell asleep as soon as he hit the pillow. He is so tired, and Chloe's in her crib now too. I wish I could take a nap because I'm honestly exhausted. I've had just like a lingering cough for the last like week, and it's just keeping me up at night. I'm actually coughing so hard that like my eyes turning red, which is no fun. But so I need to clean my house. It is a huge mess. Just the potty training and just life happens, and the house is a really big mess. But I did stop and get myself some chai tea from Black Rock. It's actually a lavender chai. It's really good. So hopefully that will give me a little bit of energy to get in and get the cleaning done. And as soon as the cleaning's done, I need to start with dinner because I don't like stressing at the last minute, especially because it's someone that we don't even know coming to dinner, which, long story, my brother-in-law works for World Magazine, the Christian magazine. There has been a bill going through as an emergency bill here in Oregon, mandating vaccines for all kids, and not just like the vaccines that are regular now, but like 72, and that they can add to that list at any time if they want. Whether you're on the side of vaccines or anti-vax, no matter where you fall on the fence, just forcing everyone to do it is completely un-American, in my opinion. She's coming out to interview people for a radio program. She's not interviewing us, but because Daniel's the connection here, he invited her to dinner, and she's actually interviewing a friend of mine. So yeah, I've got to get ready for that. and then the next couple nights we're having people over to dinner as well. So because we have such a crazy week, it was really nice to just go somewhere in the morning, have that play date. The kids had so much fun. It was actually the first time I've ever hung out with my friend Hannah. And the reason was because she has an online business that she's wanting to grow on social media. So we got together to talk about that, and I told her, you know, kind of how I do things. And next time I don't think we need that excuse. We should just hang out again because it was really fun. She also gave me a couple pieces that I'm going to be posting on my social media for her, which I think the story behind what she does is really cool. She just wants to earn a little bit of money on the side as a mom, but the company that she's working for, I think it's like 50% of their profits go to women in third world countries or something, providing them with a good job and an education, which I think is such an amazing thing. And well, let me go show you really quick what she gave me. But well, first of all, she grows lots of plants, and she gave me this really cute marigold that she grew from a seed for me to plant, which is so sweet of her. I love that. But this is a leather handbag, which it feels so gorgeous, and I think this is so completely my style. I love it. And then the other thing, this is actually like a business card holder, by the way, but inside there is a really gorgeous necklace, which I cannot wait to wear. Isn't that really pretty? Anyways, so I'm going to link her Instagram down below, and you guys should go follow her, and if you do, let her know that I sent you. She doesn't know that I'm doing this in a YouTube video, by the way, but I thought I'd surprise her. So let her know if you follow her because you heard of her on my channel. Anyways, the bag is just a really gorgeous quality, and it's wonderful that if you're gonna buy a leather handbag, why not make sure your money is going towards helping women who are less fortunate than us just make a better life for their family and receive an education so that they can have a better future. I think that is just very cool. So anyways, I will have a way to contact her down below, but if at all, just go and check out her Instagram and say hello there. And now I need to get into the cleaning because this house is no joke. Oh, but really quick before I do, when I came home, there was this package on my porch. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with tea. I wish Harney & Sons had some sort of affiliate program, because I bring them, oh, sorry, it's too dark. Because I bring them so many customers that it's just not even funny. Anyways, I'm obsessed with the tea, and I'm gonna do an unboxing right now. But the reason I order on their website is because it's free shipping, and they have a huge selection. And I'm really excited for the tea that I got today. And by the way, I was not expecting this. I ordered it like 2 days ago and it's already here. Okay, I'm so excited for this. So this one is called Egyptian Chamomile, and they send samples in every order, and I had a sample of this and it was so good. It's just like your regular chamomile, but there's something really sophisticated and unique about it. It's so good. So I got that for the evenings. I've just been coughing so much in the evenings. I need some tea and honey to just help soothe my throat. Usually they send 3 samples, but today there's only 2. It looks like it's a rooibos chai, which is a caffeine-free. Oh, nice. Caffeine-free herbal, so I could have chai at night too. Very excited about that. This one is very out of season, but it just sounded so good. These tins are like $6.99, by the way. They're very affordable. They have silk tea bags with 20 sachets. See, they totally should be paying me to do a sponsored post right now, but they don't. This is a white tea with almond and vanilla. How yummy does that sound? I think it sounds yummy. This is goji berry tea. It's a fruit tea, and I am so excited about it. I'm gonna make this into iced tea and drink it all summer long. Cannot wait to try that. And then I just got a good old regular English breakfast because I have been wanting one for the mornings. And the last one, again, is because I don't have enough herbal tea and I cannot drink caffeine in the evening, if this will focus. I can't drink caffeine in the evening, so I need something herbal, and I got this peaches and ginger because I love peach so much. And every tin is just so pretty. Now I just have to figure out how to fit it in this cupboard. There I go, coughing again. The kitchen is decent. I just need to put that stuff away, do dishes. In the living room, it's mainly toys, but I do need to sweep, and that's probably it. And then I also need to clear off the table and then make sure that the bathrooms are clean because Marky's been potty training. Also, I get people asking me questions about how I get my kids to eat food, how do I go get past pickiness, etc. And things are not perfect, but one thing I started getting, these plates are 59 cents a piece at Target. Not only does it make it a little more interesting for the kids to have them broken up into compartments, so interest, like, it's more exciting that way, but also I find that for me as the parent, every meal I'm like mentally I feel like I have to fill up each compartment, so I give my kids more of a variety, which also helps them eat a little bit better. So the kitchen is nice and clean, and I've already actually gone and cleaned the guest bathroom. I moved all of Marky's potty stuff from that bathroom to mine. I already cleared a little bit of the table, but I need to finish up, and I am promising myself that once I get all the housework done, I can give myself a little treat that I got from Trader Joe's yesterday. These are almond butter cups, dark chocolate almond butter cups, and they are so good and so addicting. I love these. If you guys have a Trader Joe's, you need to try them because they are that yummy. Okay, so I need to finish cleaning. Okay, so I'm trying to get the house smelling really good, so I'm diffusing my favorite blend ever that someone recommended me on my Instagram, and it is 3 drops of lavender with 6 drops of grapefruit, and it smells so heavenly. The dining room table is now nice and finished, and then over here in the living room, I lit a candle while the kids are napping. I'm gonna blow it out as soon as they wake up. But this candle is from Anthropology. It's a really pretty jar, and it's called Volcano. My sister gave it to me for my birthday, and it has this really pretty lid too. And it smells so good. So the kids are still napping, and I've actually been able to clean the majority of my house except for my bathroom and bedroom, which I'll do later if I have time. And I've actually been able to start dinner, and I'm just going to, it's like 3:30, and I'm just gonna put it into my fridge, and then when I need to put it in the oven, I'm gonna do that, and hopefully that will make everything go smoothly and stress-free and everything. So tonight for dinner I am making very, very yummy family favorite dinner. It's called creamy Swiss chicken bake. It's really simple, but everyone I've made it for has always loved it. I think I made a video, like a cook and clean with me video, featuring this recipe, so if I can find it I will link it down below. Because it's really good. I think you guys would love it. And then over here I'm doing from the Magnolia cookbook the chocolate orange bread pudding, which I need to start after the chicken because it takes a long time to cook. It takes an hour to cook, and then it has to sit for like 30 minutes. The kids awake from her nappy time. You are so cute, Cookies. Yeah, Marky's awake, but he's still just resting in bed. I got so much work done while they were napping. They napped for like 3 hours. It was amazing. I have the bread pudding almost completely done. It's just resting right there. It has to like soak up all the egg mixture, which, oh, hi. You waking up, honey? Okay, let me pick you up. Hi. This is the guy who's the big boy and he's potty training, huh? Yeah. Do you need to go potty right now? Okay, let's go potty. Okay, so success. Marky went potty, got his prize, and he's only had like 1 accident today, which is really amazing. No, you can't go potty again, honey. He's always asking me if he can go potty now. It's so nice. Anyways, so yeah, things are going well. It's 4:45. So the bread pudding is in the oven. It's gonna take like 45 minutes or 55 minutes to cook. Anyways, I'm so excited to try it. I cannot wait. So while they're playing outside, Marky is just, he hasn't pooped at all today. I think he's holding it. Like since we've started potty training, well, this time around he has not pooped at all. And usually he poops in the morning. We'll see what happens. Because he hasn't pooped yet, I'm just letting him go be outside without underwear on. So I'm not gonna film him right now, but we'll see what he does. I really hope that he'll come tell me because he really wants those prizes. Oh no. Coco just sat down. Coco's clothes are already dirty, so it's not too big of a deal. But she just sat down in rainwater. She loves the pool so much. And that girl cannot keep herself clean. She is always so dirty. I don't know what to do with her. It's going well though. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside and chop some carrots while they are so content to be laid out here. And I can literally see both of them right now from the back door. So nice. So I'm just gonna be here chopping my carrots, finishing dinner up. So I have a little helper here who's getting into the sugar. I chopped all of my carrots roughly the same size and just added like a quarter cup, half a stick of butter to the top. And then I'm gonna add about a half a cup of just some brown sugar and then simmer them until they are tender. So easy, and they're amazingly good. So here is the bread pudding. It looks so good. It smells so good. And you're just supposed to top it with a dollop of whipped cream and some candied pecans, which I have not made yet. I may make them if I have time. I'm not sure at this point. I still need to put my potatoes in the pot. We have about 20 minutes till our guest comes. And then my carrots are simmering. They should be turned down a little bit though. And then the chicken is in the oven, and it is actually going to be done in about 10 minutes. This one has been changed from her dirty rainwater outfit. It was so muddy, and I need to redo her hair. And Marky got changed as well. He actually has pants on now, and we are just ready and waiting with snacks. Marky already ate his snacks. So the table is set. Coco thinks she's eating right now. And I just really quickly wanted to tell you guys, so here's the table setting. I just really quickly wanted to show you that I'm infusing my water. It just makes it so good. All I did was chop up some strawberries and fill this pitcher with water, and it not only looks beautiful, but it just makes it really refreshing and kind of a little more special as well.
She can make you eat carrots. Literally eat carrots. This stuff is so good. Coco.
Hey guys, so it's actually a couple days later, but my camera battery died the other night and I forgot to finish the vlog. So anyways, the dinner went really great. The reporter was so nice, and it was just a really fun, relaxing evening. The kids loved it too. But yeah, I really quickly wanted to tell you guys why I have been taking a break from YouTube. And in all reality, it's because I just had burnout. I was just so burnt out from everything, trying to do it all. Daniel had been working for like 2 weeks straight overtime, and so I just never got a mommy break in the evenings, and it was really hard to try to fit in working around the kids, because it's easier when Daniel comes home and I can go to a coffee shop or something and have like structured times to do it, but that just wasn't happening. And it was just feeling the pressure to get videos up for you guys, because I love it. I love editing, but trying to do that around with kids around, it was just very stressful and frustrating because I couldn't get around to it, and I was just finding myself being a less patient mom and just not enjoying the editing process, not enjoying homemaking and other things I love. I was just feeling so dry. So anyways, that is why I took a break from it, and now I'm feeling ready to come back, but I'm just trying to jump back in slowly. That's why I'm vlogging today. And yeah, I'm not quite sure how it's gonna look moving forward, but I hope you guys enjoyed vlogs because I'm planning to do some more of those. So let me know in the comments down below if you do. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.